Okay, installing fresh batteries in the truck. She's all got the hole cleaned out, tightened up the bolts in the side of the panel there, put a little W40 down there, got to tighten those bolts, make sure they're tight. Got some fresh ones, 6 and 19, this is July 2019. Got some 810 cold crankers, nice group 27s, 140 minutes reserve. Hopefully. The last batteries I took out were 750 cold cranking amps. So hopefully these ones give a little more kick. Oh, got it. Alright. So let's get this thing. Let's put these ones in. Put this side in. Okay, so reverse order. Let's put the bracket. It's in, clean it up. And put the bracket in, secure them down first. Okay, so make sure you clean your rod before you're going to put it in the hole down there. Clean off the threads and use some WD-40 or some mineral oil or something and lubricate the rod before you put it in that hole. Alright, and drop her in, put a little lubrication down there and she should go in nice, and put a little squirt down there too for the other rod. Alright, okay, she's all good. Okay, she's all secured down on this side and this side. Don't get them too tight, but just get them tight, snug enough to where they hold the battery secure. You don't want to break the battery case. So, all right. Let's do the next one. O'Reilly Auto Parts. That's where I got my batteries from. Okay. Got my new truck batteries in the truck. Start it up. Drove it home. New batteries installed. 7/15/2019. 7/15/2019. 10 o'clock in the evening. Here's the batteries. Give the old batteries in. They gave me, I guess you get 18 bucks each off of them for cores. For the lead. Bought one of those brushes for cleaning up the terminals. I like to clean the lead terminals real good. And that's what it cost. Could have got it for 90 bucks each for the batteries up in Santa Ana, but Santa Ana's like 40 miles away from here and I wasn't going there lately, so they matched the price pretty good. They gave them to me for 102 basically each. So for, I guess I paid 24 bucks, 12 bucks each battery. So save me driving to Santa Ana, take me a couple hours, go up there, get the battery done, and take 2 hours out of my day probably to do it up in Santa Ana. So, and all the fuel, diesel fuel from 40 miles. I get about 14 miles to the gallon. So, what's that? 1428, 30, 60, what do you got? 45, probably about 3 gallons at $4 bucks a gallon. That's 12 bucks, so I think I did it right. Hopefully these batteries are okay.
Got a 2-year, I guess it says a 2-year warranty. 2-year over, the guy says 2-year over the counter warranty. And 2-year limited warranty, I guess that's all they got. He says it's I think he says it's 2-year over the counter. Over anything after that is prorated. I don't see any of that stuff on here though. Huh. Kind of weird that this receipt says only quote only on it too. It's kind of weird. I gotta go back tomorrow and see what the hell's up with this stuff on here, because that's what I paid, everything, quote, total, cash and change. I mean, it shows like I paid, which I did, $240 cash. So I don't know what the deal is with this. I gotta make sure that this receipt is cool. Make sure there's not something funky going on. So, all right. Thanks for watching, guys. Click like on the video and subscribe. Take care. Bye.